Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the May 2022 Macy's beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so if anyone isn't aware, Macy's, yes, that Macy's, the big department store that does the Thanksgiving Day parade, they have a beauty box. It only costs $15. Now, you do get travel size, deluxe samples, sample sizes. So, you're not getting full-size items. However, every now and again we do. And you almost always will get a couple of perfume samples. So if that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, stick around. Oh no, not starting off so good. This card here says, oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to figure it out. Oh yeah, they have a card which will list the items, and this month we got a $5 off coupon. The products always come in this lovely hot pink tissue paper. Let's see what I got. Between Ipsy and Macy's and the hot pink tissue paper, if you ever win one of my giveaways, guess what you're getting? All right, let's see what the first item is. All right, so this is a sample of the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Ooh, bougie. I've heard really good things about this powder. Do I own it? Have I tried it? Do I wear powders? No. But I am excited to get this because it's supposed to be really good. And knowing me, this will last forever. I've been wanting to set my concealer more, or try. With dry skin, I'm scared. All right, so this is a really good item, and it's makeup. All right, what else did we get? What is this little guy? Which is also from Laura Mercier. It is the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. Oh, sorry, that was hard to read without my glasses or my little friend. Does come with one of these. Ooh, it's not wasted. She's tiny. It does seem to have a scent that isn't obnoxious, and I will not name it. Does not smell floral or clean. I don't know. It just smells like hand cream or face cream. And it is very soft. Yes. All right. Wow. Is this whole box by Laura Mercier? Here is another product. This one is going to require my little friend. Oh, this is the eye cream. Illuminating Eye Cream. Bummer. I hate when you get foil packs, because you can get 3 to 5 uses out of it, but then it loses all over and whatever. But I love trying eye creams. All right, what else came in this box? Okay, I may be blonde and a little slow, but this is also from Laura Mercier. So I'm going to assume this whole box is curated by Laura Mercier or they're promoting her. Oh, so it should stand. If I get something that isn't a Laura Mercier product, that will be the clue to the oops. So this here is the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Fresh. And it comes in the style of a twist up crayon. Let's do a swatch. All right, so this is on the verge of being a little too dark for me, but I can make it work. Put a nice frosty lip gloss on top of it. All right, let's give it a try. It's a nice magenta type pink, and instead of putting the frosty lip gloss on top, this went on top of frosty lip gloss. All right, next item. All right, again from Laura Mercier. This here is the Caviar stick in Au Natural. I think this is a cream eyeshadow. Yes. Okay, let's do a swatch. All right, I don't know if it'll pick up. It's right there. I love products in this shot size stick because it makes for really good going into your corner. Although, no, this is a matte. Never mind. I'm going to have to put together a look using cream products because I've been getting them a lot lately. And honestly, I just don't reach for them. I just go for a palette because it has everything I need and want. All right, and the last item is also from Laura Mercier. Interesting. So there was an oops, but they replaced it with something else from Laura Mercier. Although this one, I see the word rose. This is the Nourishing Rose Oil. Yes. So I'm just going to put that aside. All right, now that I've talked about everything, I'm going to look in the booklet to see if I can figure out what I should have gotten. All right, I am not mad at that oops. I got the Caviar stick in lieu of the Pure Canvas primer sample. We all know how I do with primers. Get them, buy them. Do I use them? Not always. So yay, I'm more likely to use a cream eyeshadow than, well, am I? Anyways, I am not upset that I didn't get that primer. I am perfectly fine with this Caviar stick sample. All right, let's recap everything that came in this $15 box. We got the Illuminating Eye Cream sample, the Translucent Setting Powder sample, a Nourishing Rose Oil sample, a sample of the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer, a sample of the Extreme Matte Lipstick, and a sample of the Caviar Cream Eyeshadow Stick. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I think this is a really good box. I don't purchase Laura Mercier, but I hear about her all the time. So I'm excited that I get to try some of her products. 3 of the products are makeup. Get to try some of her lovely skincare. And there's really only one product, and that's just because I don't like the scent of rose. I'm going to list any prices I can find. It's not always easy to find out how much travel sample sizes cost, but I'm guessing these makeup items or even this skincare product is well worth the $15. All right, leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this box, your thoughts on Laura Mercier. Do you enjoy using her products? To be honest, I think of her more as makeup. I wasn't aware she had eye creams and a moisturizer. So let me know if you've tried any of them before. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.